Welcome to Forge and Flow. Join us as we explore the journey of how fresh wild blueberries are transformed into our smooth, glossy, deep purple jam.
Here at Forge and Flow, we begin the process by carefully raking the ripe berries in the early morning sun.
At the edge of the farm, the freshly harvested wild blueberries are inspected by our supervisor. We look for that the harvest is complete, and the wild blueberries are carefully loaded for transport to the Forge and Flow facility. The arrival of the wild blueberries marks the start of the production process here at Forge and Flow.
We only accept the freshest wild blueberries. As you can see, they cascade directly into the intake hopper, maintaining their perfect consistency.
Welcome back to Forge and Flow. Here, the berries enter the gentle bubble bath, where vigorous aeration ensures every single berry is perfectly clean before moving on. After the initial bubble wash, the berries move onto this conveyor, where high-pressure nozzles ensure a thorough rinse before the next stage. Quality is paramount here at Forge and Flow. As you can see, every berry is inspected by hand to guarantee perfection before moving on to the crushing stage. As the berries pass the scanning zone, precision air jets puff away rejected fruit, maintaining that uniform deep purple color we require.
At Forge and Flow, we utilize these industrial scales to guarantee precise measurements. Each hopper releases it. From the hoppers, the blueberries cascade into the bulk feed bins, where the screw conveyors begin the gentle journey to the crusher.
As you can see, the fruit crusher processes large volumes of our wild blueberries, producing this thick, deep purple pulp that moves into the collection trough.
Driven by a powerful industrial pump, the dense purple pulp flows continuously toward the preheating refiner,
And the spinning mesh forces out this smooth, glossy puree, separating any remaining fragments. As the sugar accumulates, the digital readout tracks the precise quantity. Once the target weight is reached,
here we add a precisely measured quantity of low-methoxyl pectin. This is crucial for achieving the proper thickness.
Here we see the automated dosing system at work. The precise measurement of citric acid is essential for proper preservation and flavor balance in every batch. Here, the smooth, deep purple puree is combined simultaneously with precisely measured sugar, pectin, and acidity regulators. The agitator ensures the sugar and pectin are fully integrated, creating that signature deep purple color and smooth. Low-temperature boil preserves the deep color and natural flavor of the blueberries.
Because of the blueberries' naturally lower water content, the brix level rises quickly under vacuum. We're almost at the target consistency now. See how it slowly coats the plate? That's exactly the consistency we're looking for. The vacuum kettle ensures the color stays vibrant.
And there we have it, the perfect consistency, confirmed by the green light, ensuring quality in every batch. The positive displacement pump ensures the thick jam moves in precise pulses, maintaining that deep purple color all the way to the filling hall.
Here the jam passes through a fine inline screen filter, ensuring a perfectly smooth and consistent texture in every single jar produced.
This stainless steel drying tunnel uses warm, filtered air to completely eliminate any moisture before filling. Moving into the sterilization tunnel, powerful jets of high-temperature steam eliminate any remaining microorganisms.
Our commitment to quality means every jar will pass under this sensor. It automatically checks the
Jars move quickly to the sealing station, where the automatic capping head applies a precise rotational torque, ensuring an airtight closure.
Jars enter the cooling tunnel. A fine mist of warm water ensures a gradual temperature reduction, preventing thermal shock to the glass. Further along the extended cooling tunnel, the water spray temperature gradually decreases in carefully controlled stages.
As the jars exit the cooling tunnel, a steady stream of warm air ensures they are completely dry, stable, and ready for the next phase of packaging.
The automated vision system performs a final quality check, scanning each jar for defects before they move to packaging.
Even with automation, these spot checks are crucial for maintaining the Forge and Flow standard of quality.
Next, the jars move through the labeling phase. Our high-speed precision applicator arms ensure a flawless finish on every single jar.
Here you can see the precise timing as the back label, with all ingredient and nutrition details, is applied flawlessly to the glass jars.
This sensor checks
Buffer table allows the high-speed bottling line to feed seamlessly into the packaging area, preventing any slowdowns.
Utilizing advanced robotics, we ensure every jar of Forge and Flow jam is perfectly positioned for packaging, maintaining our high standards.
Next up, the packaging line, where the cardboard trays are formed and glued.
The robotic arm ensures every jar is precisely placed, maintaining the integrity of the multi-pack.
The shrink tunnel is the final wrapping stage. The heat creates a taut, clear wrap.
Here at Forge and Flow, automation ensures every case is packed with precision, ready for shipment.
The fully automated case sealing machine ensures consistency. The mechanical arms smoothly fold the flaps, and
Here we see the automated label applicator, ensuring every case is accurately labeled with the batch number and product information before shipping. In the final packaging area, our robotic palletizer ensures every case is stacked with careful mechanical precision.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.